Hey guys, Adam Coomer here. Real quick, if you clicked on this, you want for more information on the lead setting position and what it pays. So when we have people reach out, obviously this is a sought after position. We get a lot of candidates. So we have a lot of people ask, hey, how does pay work? Okay, so for the SP1, that's what we call SP1 lead setting pay scale. As you can see here, you get $12 an hour or 18, so $12 an hour in training. Okay. As you see at the bottom, once you get 14 sits in a 2-week period, then you go to $18 an hour and you're outside of your training window. So if you have any questions on, again, if you haven't watched the video on the job description, this will be confusing. So do that if you haven't. But $12 an hour while you're in training, and then you get bumped up to 18. The way to get up to $18 an hour is you get 14 sits with a customer in 2 weeks. So all that is, you set appointments and 14 people sit down with one of our consultants in a 2-week period and you move up to the 18 plus $10 every time someone sits down, right? So if that's 7 sits in a week, that would be $70. If it's 10 sits in a week, it'd be an extra $100 that week as a bonus. Now, or there's another option. So we give you hourly plus the 10 a sit, or $100 a sit plus $20 a kilowatt. Okay, so I'll explain that to you real quick. $100 per sit. So we give you whichever pays you more, which is really cool. So we'll give you your hourly plus 10 a sit, or we'll give you $100 every time a customer sits down. $100 just to get them to sit down, plus $20 a kilowatt. That $20 a kilowatt is going to equate to at minimum around $100 up to maybe $160 on a close. So that means that we sat down with a customer and they actually decide to move forward with a solar project. So pretty cool, right? So we give you whichever is greater, either the hourly plus 10 a sit or $100 a kilowatt plus your kilowatt on closes. So you're looking around $100 to $160 when it closes. Give or take, could be more. But just to kind of give you an idea. And again, we pay you whichever one is greater over a 2-week period, okay? So I'm going to move this here so you can see. But just for an example, your first paycheck, if you work from the 14th to the 20th, will come on Friday. That would be May 3rd. That's just an example for you. And so you get paid every 2 weeks as a lead setter. This is a W-2 position. Some benefits are offered after 90 days, but that is just a little bit into how the pay works. Again, if you come to our training and orientations, you'll be able to get more details on the pay and how it works, but wanted to give you kind of a quick breakdown and see, obviously, you can make really good money. And like I said, our average rep in the video description makes about $35 an hour because, again, we don't want people shooting for the hourly. We want them shooting for the commission portion because it pays so well. And again, this is how I went from hardly being able to keep a job to making 6 figures is with that commission portion on the right. And so, guys, we look forward to bringing you on. Again, hopefully you're interested in the position and we can work together. Thanks.